One thing I really like about the Dachman 87se is you can just kind of mutter into it, tell a story, or be lost in your own thoughts. But, do it in kind of a very low voice and feel very present. Because the self-noise on this thing is great, but also the way it sounds when you're just talking into it, like you're by yourself. What do you think? Stick around.
From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff.
I want you to take note that this is the raw sound of the Dachman 87se. There's no processing on this, no compression, no EQ, not even high-pass filter. It's just the mic. And the self-noise on it is so low, so good. You can do this kind of thing, this intimate voice thing, and pull it off in a room like this. So, and I like how present, how intimate it feels. It's got that nice forwardness, right? So you're not overwhelmed with a big boomy bottom end. You just got that nice texture right there, right in the mid-range. It's beautiful. Because sometimes you want to be alone with your thoughts. Sometimes you want to be alone with your thoughts at 2 a.m. This is the kind of mic that I think you could do like film noir, like really intimate film noir. You could do ASMR with it too, But film noir, I think. She walked into my office, that kind of thing. She walked into my office. They always walk in like that. One glove half on. One lie half ready. Perfume expensive enough to make poverty feel personal. She said her name was Vivian Vale. Maybe it was true. Maybe it was the weather. She had eyes like locked rooms and a voice that made bad decisions feel reasonable. I told her I didn't take divorce, missing jewels, or jobs that started after midnight. She smiled. Then she placed a photograph on my desk. That's the trouble with rules in this town. They only work until somebody beautiful breaks them. And see? So yeah, the Dachman 87se. Tell an intimate story. All right? What do you think? And until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff, fading to black.
Don't let Sibilance gremlins ruin your audition.
SIBILANCE KILLBOX. Available now for OS X.